Hello everyone, myself Varsha Jaria, Assistant Professor of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today, in 401 Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2nd, we are going to study about reactions of pyrrole, which is the part of our unit 3rd. So, let's start with first method of preparation of pyrrole. Pyrrole is basically prepared by the Pall-Knorr synthesis, and Pall-Knorr synthesis, which is also used for the preparation of furan and thiophene also, it is the condensation of dicarbonyl compound within excess of primary amine or ammonia to give a pyrrole. So here we can see there are dicarbonyl compound. It reacts with 2 moles of NH3 and we get pyrrole, and 2H2O is released. And mechanism of action: first, dicarbonyl compound is react in presence of ammonia. So first double bond is break and H2O is released. So further second mole of NH3 is reacts with pyrrole, then another double bond is break and H2O is released. Then in third process, amination is done in presence of ammonia. So the NH group is attached at this place and H2O is further released by the dehydration, and in last we get dimethyl pyrrole and first position ammonia, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, 1,5-dimethyl ammonia. So Pall-Knorr synthesis is used for the preparation of derivatives of pyrrole. Second method of preparation of pyrrole is from furan. Furan is react in presence of ammonia and aluminium oxide. So we get pyrrole and H2O is released. Third, from acetylene. Acetylene is react in presence of ammonia. So we get pyrrole and H2O is released. And fourth preparation is done by from succinamide. Succinamide undergo reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borate, and so we get pyrrole and 2H2O is released. Then further reactions of pyrrole, basically electrophilic substitution undergoes in pyrrole. Pyrrole undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at 2 position. Here we can see that the resonantic structure of pyrrole, movement of electrons, delocalization of electron. So basically pyrrole and electrophilic substitution occurs at C2 and C3 position. Why? C2 attacks gives more resonating contributing structures than C3, and extra stable contributing structure generates upon C2 attack. So electrophilic substitution is done on C2 and C3 position. So here we can see the various reactions of electrophilic substitution. First, iodination, nitration and sulfonation. As we know, in electrophilic substitution reaction, one hydrogen is released and electrophile is attached to the aromatic ring. So pyrrole is also aromatic ring, and we know about the pyrrole electrophilic substitution is attack on only 2 and 3rd position. So first reaction is iodination. Pyrrole is react in presence of I2 and potassium iodide. So we get tetraiodopyrrole. And third, nitration. Nitration, we also know that nitration reaction is done in the presence of nitric acid. So pyrrole is react in presence of HNO3, so we get 2 nitropyrrole. In sulfonation, we know always sulfonation is sulfonation reaction in presence of sulfonic acid, SO3H. So pyrrole is react in presence of SO3, so we get pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Reaction with diazonium salt. Pyrrole is react with in presence of diazonium salt. This is the structure of diazonium salt. So we get 2 diazopyrrole and 3 diazopyrrole. We know that electrophilic substitution occurs at C2 and C3 position. So first product is measure of 2 diazopyrrole, and another product is minor in 3-diazopyrrole. Chlorination. We know that chlorination is done in the presence of Cl2 and AlCl3. So pyroles react in the presence of Cl2 and AlCl3. So chlorine is released and H plus ion is released in pyrrole ring, and Cl is attached. So we get 2-chloropyrrole and another is 3-chloropyrrole, and HCl is released. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, we know that alkylation group, we are adding a alkyl group. So pyrrole is react in presence of methyl iodide and AlCl3. So at CS3 positive ion, and it breaks in CS3 plus and iodine minus. So we get the electrophile is attached to C2 position and C3 position. So major product is 2-nitropyrrole and minor product is 3-nitropyrrole, and H2O is released. Next reaction is reaction with acetic anhydride. Reaction is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride structure is CS3 CO का whole twice and O. So we can write this structure like this: CS3 C double bond O, O CS3 C double bond O CO. Basically it breaks down like this: CS3 C double bond O minus and CS3 C plus double bond O. So here this group, electrophile group, is attached on C2 and C3 position. So in this reaction pyrrole is react in presence of acetic anhydride. So acetic anhydride breaks in CS3 C double bond O minus and CS3 C plus double bond O. So electrophile group is attached on C2 and C3 position, and acetic acid is released, and the compound is 2-acyl pyrrole and 3-acyl pyrrole. Reduction in reduction reaction, pyrrole is getting reduced in presence of 2H2 and palladium, nickel, red hot copper. So we get pyrrolidone or pyro. Then uses of pyrrole. Pyrrole is essential to the production of many different chemicals. Like N-methyl pyrrole is precursor of N-methyl pyrrole carboxylic acid, a building block in pharmaceutical chemistry. Although there is a claim that pyrrole is used as additive to cigarettes, it is typically listed as a constituent of tobacco smoke, not an ingredient. Pyrrole is also used in commercial and pharmaceuticals. So medicinal uses of pyrrole, medicinal uses of the huge biological activities of pyrrole and its derivatives. For example, anticocidal activity. Anticocidal activity is the is used for the agent which used for the treatment of growth of cocidal infection and to prevent the cocidal infection. Anti-inflammatory drugs, anticonvulsant drugs which is used for the treatment of epilepsy, antipsychotics drugs which used for the sedatives and hypnotics, anti-cancer drug, antifungal drug, antibacterial, antiviral, and antimycobacterial. These all are the used of pyrrole ring and pyrrole derivatives. For example, medicinal uses: glycopyrrole is used in anticholinergic drugs, used in peptic ulcer. Atorvastatin used in the management of high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Thank you.